What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the SD Beamers times Monjimi grand opening. So hope you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Let's go check out some of the cool cars that are here. We got the homie Enrique with his beautiful G80 M3. Looks so good. He recently did a new touch to the car. He did the inserts orange, and I believe he did 20s all around now, so it looks really, really good. Got that black with the orange accents on there. I absolutely love this orange inside the wheelbarrow. Looks so freaking good. What's up, bro?
Kevin,
how are you?
Man, long time.
How's everything? Good?
See you, yeah.
Hi,
my girl, Michelle, Kevin.
Nice to meet you.
He's the one we see in Beverly Hills all the time.
We got the homie Jason's beautiful Atlantis Blue F80 M3. It looks so freaking good. Probably one of my favorite F80s out there on the BBS. Looks so good. We got the homie Kenny's E30 wide body. I don't know what kit this is on the E30, but it looks so freaking good. It's like a Nardo gray wrap or paint. I don't even know what it is, but it looks so good. He's also got that crazy M4 that has like that black Sharpie outline on it. I don't know if you guys seen it before in the vlogs, but it looks crazy. Of course, we got the homie Mark's F80 M3 Austin Yellow, bagged, looking real, real clean. Looks so good. And of course, you guys know the homie Anthony at AA Concepts. This beautiful M4. He recently did the M4 CSL style taillights. Looks crazy. One of the craziest M4s I've seen. And then he recently got it wrapped too with that new color. Yeah, guys, Anthony's car looks so freaking good. Oh my god. And we got the homie Noe's Chrome E92 M3 Supercharged. Beautiful. Look at that. One of my favorite E92 M3s out there for sure. He's got one of the craziest builds, one of the cleanest builds out there. BMW performance seats, carbon back seat delete with the M color stripes, air suspension, crazy loud exhaust. And then of course we got my M4 GTS looking clean. Damn, it's a clean M4 right there. Individual color, I believe. Shit is clean. Look at the color on the comp wheels. This right here is what I want to show you guys. This is a BMW M4 cut up into a pickup truck. Isn't that crazy? Look at this color. It's like a bluish, chromy color. Got the carbon in here. It looks crazy. That's the guy. This is M4, and cut it up into a pickup truck. Isn't that crazy, guys? It's a one of one. This is something you'll never ever see. This is wild.
Yeah, that's still nuts.
I wonder if BMW's recognize this. I wonder how much this must have cost to make. We got steering wheel cut in half, guys. All the carbon back there. You guys see the carbon back there, carbon up here. It's wild. Look at the wing too. Beautiful E92 M3 on the Apex with the red interior. It's nice. Oh, it's a Heritage edition. These are pretty special, guys. So got that Heritage embedded on the headrest. M stripes on the carbon roof. Got some Forstiner wheels. Got another F80 over here, Austin Yellow. Another F80 super tracked out. Look at that. Damn, look at that front lip, how aggressive that is. On the TEs. Seats. Crazy. Got the cage back there. Look at the wing on this thing. Insane. Oof, look at that exhaust. That is crazy. Beautiful F10 M5. Individual champagne quartz, so it's got like this brownish, gray, gold type. It's pretty crazy, actually. You don't really see too many F10 M5s. And he's also got the LCI of the F90 taillights. What? That is crazy. That's a clean E92 M3. Beautiful E92 M3, super clean, space gray. E40, yeah, for real. E46 M3, I think it's like a Miami blue wrap, pretty cool. Then we've got an E60 M5 V10, you don't really see these too often. M4 Yas Marina blue, G82 Southpaw yellow, 335 IS, E46 M3 with a wide body kit. Clean G80 M3 right here. It's pretty nice, Brooklyn gray. Big spoiler on there. Got the red interior. Check that out. Got a BMW emblem. I don't know, honestly. I've never seen this before. Guys, there's just so many BMWs. It goes all the way down there, all inside that parking lot, all here through the street, all the way down there. It's a lot of BMWs today. Guys, this shit is so packed. It goes all the way back there. E30, drop top, E36. It's pretty clean. Another E36. Nice. Got the two wagons. Hella dumped. Dude, this shit is packed. Got the homie Danny with his M2 on TEs.
Right here, just
It's a clean F80. F90 M5 frozen blue with carbon ceramics. It's nice. All over Jason. What? Atlantis blue? G80 M3. Very nice. Got the X6M. And look at those intakes hanging out. Lambo SUV pulled up. Sheesh. Bro came to the wrong meet. Got the BMW, the M2. Long Beach blue. That's just super clean. Look at the tire setup on this thing. On welds. Clean. Damn, my boy's plate. What happened? Super clean E92 M3 Silverstone. GT4 lid. Non-carbon. Stop take brakes. Apex wheels. And the Recaros. Super clean. Yeah, for real, right? Soon. How you doing, man? It's clean. Got the GTS wing on there. Looks so freaking good. Here, real quick, guys. As you guys can see. GTS armrest delete. Recaros. Got the cage back there. Backseat delete. Very clean. E92 M3. Nice. Look at that, guys. Check out that plenum. Crazy. Got the Mach Chanel. Tracked out E92 M3. Sheesh, we got all the BMWs. All the Supras are parked up. That's a super clean E30 right there. Love that color. F90 M5. That looks pretty clean. Got the intakes in the front. It's pretty sick. The homie Well with his F32. Looking real clean. 440i. Very nice. Got clean wheels on there. Another G80 M3. Brooklyn Gray. Looks pretty sick. It's a clean E36. Looks like Laguna Seca blue.
Everybody's sending me.
Very nice. Guys, there's just so many BMWs today. Look, BMWs are scattered everywhere, guys. But check out this F80 right here, guys. This one's pretty special. Look at the front. Oh, look at the rear, though. Sheesh. Look at that tire setup, bro.
Bro, I told you it's a badass tire.
Damn. My boy don't play. That is wild. Clean E90 M3 jet black. Apex wheels. Like a goldish color. Clean. G82 M4. Look at all the carbon up front. Got the canards. TE side skirts. Got the white bucket seats. Sick. Very, very clean. All over Jason! All over Jason!
Hood fitment.
What?
How much of a difference it looks in the windows? It looks darker.
Yeah.
That is fire. We got the M760 V12. Just to let you know, right there, V12. E93 M3 convertible on the comps. Velvet blue M4 individual competition with the red interior. That's clean. M6 Grand Coupe. That's fire. It's like the color of the GTS. We got the 2 Series over here. Cage. Pretty clean. This whole row here is packed. M6 with the marble wrap. Pretty cool. That's a clean F80 right there on the HREs. Pretty clean. Looks good. Very nice. Sheesh. Practically sitting on the floor. Clean X5M. Yasmarina blue. So this is the shop. This is where they do like a bunch of tuning, performance stuff. It's a pretty cool shop. That's a clean E92 M3. Silverstone on the Apex, chromed out. Jason's twin. Sheesh. That's a clean G80 M3 with the M Performance parts. You got the M Performance wing diffuser with the 4 center exhaust. It's pretty cool. Got the bucket seats in Southpaw yellow. I don't know what color this is. I know it's an individual. I just don't know what color. I don't think it's Laguna Seca blue. I I have no idea what color it is, but it's clean. You guys see that? You color match the grills in the front. Sheesh, that F80 looks good. Look how low it is. That's a clean Sao Paulo G83. It's got the license plate matching the same color as the car. Got the exhaust tips. It's pretty clean. Sheesh.
Yeah, mine 135 at the back.
It's pretty nice.
You know who gives it?
Looks good. E92 M3. It's clean. That's sick. Look at the tire setup on that thing. That's a clean F80 right there with the yellow LCIs. That's clean. E93 M3. Clean. E92 M3. That's a clean M2 right there. Beautiful E36 M3. Estoril blue with the BBS. Dude, that is not clean. Right there. F90 M5. Uh-oh, making some noise. It's like Beamer Fest all over again. E93 M3 convertible, very clean. Nice. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.